1. Ebooks on procrastination techniques. Who needs time management when you can master the art of procrastination? Market an ebook that teaches readers how to delay tasks with flair. Chapters include The Art of Last-Minute Panic and Creative Excuses 101. It's a bestseller for anyone who's ever said, "I'll do it tomorrow." Just make sure to release it eventually. 2. Virtual reality escape rooms. Why leave your couch when you can escape from a virtual dungeon? Market these VR experiences to thrill seekers who prefer their adventures with a side of potato chips. Whether it's solving puzzles in ancient Egypt or escaping an alien spaceship, it's all the excitement without the risk of actual danger. Plus, no one will judge you for wearing pajamas. 3. Online courses for pet influencers. Move over, human influencers, it's time for pets to shine. Market an online course that teaches pets how to pose, pout, and paw their way to internet stardom. Modules include the perfect selfie snout and how to bark for likes. Owners will love the idea of their furry friend becoming the next big thing on social media. Just be prepared for some diva behavior from your feline students. 4. Digital detox apps. Ironically, market an app that helps people unplug from their devices. Features include phone-free challenges and meditative nature sounds that remind users what trees sound like. It's the perfect product for those who can't remember life before screens. Just don't be surprised if your app becomes the most used app for not using apps. 5. AI-powered excuse generators. Tired of coming up with reasons to avoid social events? Market an AI-powered excuse generator that crafts the perfect alibi. Whether it's my goldfish has a dentist appointment or I'm waiting for my sourdough starter to rise, this tool has you covered. It's a must-have for introverts and anyone who's ever needed a creative way out. 6. Customizable meme templates. In the age of memes, why not market customizable templates for every occasion? From Monday blues to unexpected plot twists, these templates let users express themselves with humor and flair. It's a digital product that's both entertaining and endlessly shareable. Plus, who doesn't want to be the meme lord of their friend group? 7. Virtual plant adoption kits. For those who can't keep a real plant alive, market virtual plant adoption kits. Users can choose from a variety of digital flora, complete with care instructions and growth tracking. It's the perfect solution for anyone with a black thumb. Plus, no watering required, just a little love and a good Wi-Fi connection. 8. Digital fortune cookies. Why wait for takeout when you can have your fortune delivered digitally? Market an app that sends users daily fortunes, complete with cryptic wisdom and lucky numbers. It's a fun and quirky way to start the day, and there's no risk of stale cookies. Just remember, the app takes no responsibility for lottery losses. 9. Virtual dance party playlists. market-curated playlists designed to get people moving in their living rooms. Whether it's a 90s throwback or a salsa sensation, these playlists are perfect for solo dance-offs or virtual gatherings. It's a party in your pocket, and no one will judge your questionable dance moves. Just remember to stretch first, safety first, even in virtual reality. 10 Digital Pet Rock Companions. Bring back the 70s with a digital twist by marketing virtual pet rocks. These companions require zero maintenance and come with customizable features like hats and sunglasses. It's a nostalgic product for those who love a bit of retro fun. Plus, they're guaranteed to be the most low-maintenance pet you'll ever own.